Good afternoon, everyone.
A warm welcome to all respective parents and viewers. You are watching the weekly news bulletin of Devda Mother Tongues Academy, where we present this week school activities along with other news related to education and children's. I am Mr. BK from class 7.
And I am Sonakshi Vikar from class 8, student of the MT Academy. Without delay, here we present the today's news. News number 1. New student welcome program successfully conducted. A special welcome program was successfully organized in a grand and friendly atmosphere by Devda Mother Tongues Academy, located in Mitterigaon, Devda 5 Municipality, Rupandehi, with the objective of welcoming newly enrolled students for academic session 2083. According to the school administration, the program was organized on Jyeshtha 8, 2083 in the school assembly hall. The event witnessed remarkable participation from newly enrolled students and their parents. The program was hosted by school's vice principal Emlal Sharma, while the program was chaired by the school's principal Ram Bahadur Gurung. At the beginning of the program, vice principal and program host Emlal Sharma delivered a special welcome speech, warmly welcoming the newly enrolled students and their parents into the school family. Following this, the principal and vice principal of the school specially honored the new students and parents by representing tokens of love and appreciation on behalf of the school. While addressing the program, Principal Ram Bahadur Gurung shared information regarding the school's history, objectives, educational vision, and future plans. He expressed school commitment to working with complete dedication towards student overall development, quality education, discipline, and future building. He also expressed confidence that the school will always move forward in cooperation with parents to help build a bright future for the students. Finally, the school administration informed that the program concluded in an family-friendly and inspiring atmosphere with a group photo session involving all newly enrolled students and their parents.
News number 2. Child Club and Red Cross Club Formation Program conducted at school. A Child Club and Red Cross Club Formation Program was successfully conducted at Devda Mother Tongues Academy located in Mitterigaon, Devda Municipality 5 Rupande, with the objective of developing leadership skills, social responsibility, and a spirit of service among students. According to the school administration, the program was held on Jyeshtha 8, 2083 with remarkable participation from students of grades 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The program was hosted by the school's vice principal Emlal Sharma. As part of the program, the Red Cross Club was formed first. The formation process was conducted under the coordination of the school's Red Cross in charge Asmita Intang. According to the schools in the newly formed 21-member Red Cross Club, Isha Paudel was selected as president, Grishma Chaudhary as vice president, Virendra BK as secretary, Subika Thapa as joint secretary, and Samir Rana as treasurer. Following that, the child club formation program was conducted. The child club formation process was completed under the leadership of school's child club in charge Sudan Basyal. In the newly formed 21-member child club, Shivani Ale was selected as president, Dipraj Kun as vice president, Roshni Ran as secretary, Udin Magar as joint secretary, Neil Thapa and Samcha Paryar as member, and Silpa Khadpa as assistant treasurer. School principal Ram Bahadur Gurung assigned responsibility to the students and provided motivational guidance on the importance of leadership, development, discipline, teamwork, and social service. He encouraged students to perform their roles responsibility actively and honestly. In the final phase of the program, Vice Principal and Program host Emlal Sharma delivered a special speech motivating all selected officer bearers and members to fulfill their responsibilities with enthusiasm, dedication, and honesty. The school administration expressed confidence that such clubs would play an important role in developing leadership skills, social awareness, cooperative attitudes, and responsibility development among students. Finally, the school administration informed that the program concluded in a energetic and productive atmosphere with a group photo session involving early officer bearers, members, and teachers.
News number 3. Participation of school students in speech competition. Students of Devda Mother Tongues Academy, located in Mitterigaon, Devda Municipality 5 Rupandehi, have shown energetic participation in speech competition organized by different cooperative institutions. According to the school administration, on this day 2083, grade 9 student Isa Paudel represented the school in a speech competition organized by Afanta Cooperative Institution. Selected through the school level selection process, student Isa Paudel delivered an excellent presentation and successfully secured fifth position in the competition. Similarly, on Gesta 10, 2083, student Isa Paudel also actively participated and delivered an outstanding performance in another speech competition organized by Kolia Cooperative Institution. According to the school administration, such competitions are believed on play an important role in developing students' leadership skills, self-confidence, public speaking abilities, and creative thinking. The school ECA in charge Arun Giri encouraged the participating student by saying participation itself is the greatest success. He expressed confidence that the students will perform even better and achieve outstanding position in future competition while providing motivation and encouragement. The school family appreciated the efforts and achievement of the participating students and extended best wishes for even greater success in the future.
News number 4. Various competition conducted under Friday program. Various competitive programs were successfully conducted under the Friday program at Devda Mother Tongues Academy located in Miterigao, Devda Municipality 5, Upandai, with the objective of developing students' creativity, concentration, and language proficiency. According to the school administration, the program was conducted on Friday, Jesta 8, 2083, after the lunch break in respective classrooms under the coordination of class teachers. For pre-primary level students, a cup pyramid competition was organized, while English and Nepali handwriting competition were conducted for students from grades 1 to 10. Students participated energetic in the competition and demonstration their creativity, handwriting skills, presentation abilities, and concentration. According to the school administration, such programs are believed to play an important role in enhancing students' language development, discipline, self-confidence, and competitive spirit. The school administration also informed that the results of the competition have already been published on the school's Facebook account, students' class messengers groups, and TikTok platforms. On behalf of the school family, heartfelt congratulations and best wishes for a bright future were extended to all students who achieved outstanding success in the competitions.
News number 5. Outstanding performance by DMT Academy in Inter-Girls School Volleyball Tournament. The girls volleyball team of Devdha Mother Tongues Academy located in Miteri Gaon, Devdha Municipality 5, Rupandai made the school proud through their outstanding performance in the 4th Inter-Girls School Vice Mayor Cup Girls Volleyball Tournament. According to the school administration, in the opening match of the tournament, DMT Academy made an impressive start by defeating Asian Light School with a remarkable 2-0 set victory. Throughout the match, the school's girls demonstrated high quality performance with discipline, confidence, and excellent teamwork. Similarly, in another competitive match, DMT Academy competed against Sagarmatha School. Despite facing defeat in a highly competitive game, the school players displayed excellent sportsmanship, determination, and confident performance throughout the match. The school administration appreciated the students' enthusiasm, discipline, and active participation in school sports and expressed confidence that the school competitions help develop leadership skill, teamwork, self-confidence, and a competitive mindset among students. The school family extended heartfelt congratulations to all participating players and conveyed best wishes for bright success in their future games and competition.
That's all for today's weekly DMT Academy Bulletin. We promise to back next week with more update on schools activities and news related to our students. Wishing you a happy and wonderful day. Thank
Thank
you.
you.